often talked about sharing information, but the cloud really brings that to it. And what Twinfield does, it allows the accountant to work with any range of client. So before they were struggling because they had to have in-house software for different clients for different size. But Twinfield being so scalable, it can go from 0 turnover right through to 50, 100 million turnover with no extra cost to the client. Now that means that not only then can the accountant really put their services and offer their services to the client, but it means that the client can always have access to instant information. And that comes with scanned invoices, with the instant access. Everything there that they can have at the touch of a button or the click of a fingers basically, that is there for them to see. So shared access, it makes everyone up the game really, because it really is real-time information going forward. You know, one of the things where the accountancy firms struggle is providing a service to their client and the efficiencies gained with it. When we look at the way we collaborate with our own companies, so the integration that we have with CCH Accounts Production into Central and Portal above that, that means that we bring a whole lot of efficiencies into the accountancy practice. And what do I mean by this? Well, if you think that he owns the data, owns the client, so if you've got the bookkeeping, one of the cheaper ends of the client for the accountant is the bookkeeping, so there's not much profit really in that. But if you look at what other services they can deliver, advisory services, then you look at the audit. If you're going to do audit, it's costly because you're going out, finding files, bringing information back. If you can go straight from the final year-end accounts and accounts production, and at a touch of a button you can click, go right through, even to the end scanned document, and see all the information that made that up within Twinfield, and that's all then within Central, so accessed, that's a big bonus. And so that then brings efficiencies within the accountancy practice, making savings for more costly staff. If they move on to tax, even more costly, but again, they can just drill down and look for erroneous transactions if there's been any ins and outs. And really it makes the customer or the client for them a lot more sticky, because all the time then, and especially if we then take Portal, where they're logging in, everything's there for them. They can see other products that can be available, other advice that they can take from that accountant. Brings in massive efficiencies and basically, to quote one of our own clients, it increased the margin by 1/3, which is a great thing.